Yeah, homies, let's go. Road construction in Mexico, man. Oh, es un perrito bonito. It's still Machata. Machata. Well, isn't this something, huh? Isn't this something? Jesus Christ. Beautiful. Tell me this is not the climb out. Because I have a flat. Buenos dias, amigos. It is. I don't even know. That's a great thing about a trip like this is I lose track of time. I don't even know what day of the week it is. I think it's Thursday. So it is day 5 of riding and day 6 of the trip. I'm here in Bahia de Los Angeles. Yesterday was a rest day. I didn't really film anything. Just chilling, having a couple cervezas. Got to ride in the back of a pickup truck, Mexican style, and see kind of some of the local sites. I'm gonna go over and see if the restaurant's open yet, and if it is, get some coffee and some breakfast, get packed up, get back on the bike. Today's a long day of highway riding, but I've been promised some Dr. Seuss-like landscape. I'm excited to see that. 3 more days of riding, today, tomorrow, and then we'll be in Ensenada, and then next thing you know, we're in San Diego. We're almost there, but let's keep riding. Great trip so far. Thanks again to Ride Adventures for the opportunity. It's really cool to see all this. Here we are gearing up to leave Los Vientos and Bahia de Los Angeles behind. I'm gonna hit the gas station, and then it's about 3 hours of pavement today, but supposedly through a majestic, amazing, beautiful, fantastic, super neat to see landscape. Yeah, we are 3 more riding days left is all, so everyone's alive. The rest day did us all good, and we're ready to continue our journey. Feels good to be back on the bike. Homies, let's go! No bueno? We're turning around. Apparently we're taking a detour. So the road is blocked off. So Tyler is we're taking a workaround. This doesn't look too bad. Oh, they're doing construction. Okay. Road construction in Mexico, man. So they just built this bypass so you can just ride around it. Interesting. Very cool. Good times. Back on the highway. Huh, that was fun. What a spot. Oh, look at Chihuahua. Oh, those Chihuahuas. Muy bonitos. There's 2 more. They're everywhere. I'm gonna take him. Juanillo. Oh my goodness. So adorbs. Hola, perros. Hola. Sí, comida para 6. Hola. Hola, perrito. Oh, es un perrito bonito. Sí. Oh, look how cute he is. Look at this. Oh my God, I want one. Who always on that brain, dude? Cute. A bunch of dogs running around. Got a tecate tree, so if you're thirsty, you just plant a seed. Next thing you know. So this is Restaurant San Ignacio. And the lady was just telling me there's a really nice mission up on the hill. But do you know the mission out here, Tyler? We don't have time today, though. Hola, amigo. Oh, you're very nice doggies here. Very nice. Arrows of Mexico. I'm making a calendar. Chimichangas. Yeah. See. It's still machata. Machata. Good back there? Yeah. Chimichanga with meat and beans. Real good. Delicious chimichangas, homemade, handmade, right in front of us. What a meal. We're getting back on the road and heading on to San Quintin for the night. Restaurante San Ignacio. Give it a shot if you're ever out here in Baja. Very, very cute dogs, and the food's pretty good. Well, that's one way to leave the checkpoint.
Am I asking way too much to find this will be enough? Cut the middle from the map. The roads, they don't work like that.
Oh man, swanky. Right on the ocean. The Pacific Ocean is right over there. So we started this morning on the City of Cortez side of the Baja Peninsula, and we're ending this afternoon at the Pacific Ocean. So we crossed the entire peninsula, and we're on the Pacific Ocean for the remainder of the trip because we end up in San Diego, in California. Ooh. 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 Trying to run over your foot. Sorry, I killed mine too. Did I get you? I didn't get you. We're at the Pacific Ocean! Yeah. Well, the view from my room isn't terrible. So this is the Pacific Ocean. Started out at the Sea of Cortez this morning. Now we're on the Pacific. Beautiful. A lot more surf here. Man, I'm hungry. I'm gonna have to head down to the restaurante in un momento. Good morning, amigos. We are not at the end of the trip yet, but the end is definitely nigh. Today is our last full riding day. Tomorrow we will be in Ensenada. We'll get up, we'll go to the border and deal with all that, so it's a little bit shorter riding day. And then we'll be back in San Diego. So 2 more days. My Mexico adventure is over, but today supposedly there's a decent off-road section. We're gonna see some more of the Pacific side, and I'm excited to be here and continue this trip with my new friends. So just had breakfast. I'm gonna pack up, get geared up, and get ready to go ride. But what a terrible view to have to wake up to, am I right? It's just awful. I mean, just what a terrible way to have to live. Pretty amazing. Pretty lucky. Thanks again to Ride Adventures for the opportunity. And to Tyler, our guide, and Shai, our support truck driver. Both awesome dudes. And really all the guys on the trip for making it fun. We're not done yet. Let's finish strong. Well, we are suiting up here in San Quintin. Eddie had to switch bikes because he discovered that there was a nut missing from his steering column at the end of yesterday. We don't know what happened there, so he's on Tyler's bike. Tyler's going to take the Africa Twin. Riding up the coast today with a fun off-road section down by the water, and then on to Ensenada tonight. Good times. Let's do it. So we are getting off the main highway and headed towards the coast. It's astounding to me how much greener it is up here. Literally yesterday we were riding through a desert for hours. Now look at this. Let's get a little farther north, get a little bit more water. Whole different biome. There's the ocean. Irindira. Woo. Wow, it is windy out here, bros. Not surprising because of the whole ocean thing, you know. Well, isn't this something, huh? Isn't this something? That's gorgeous. But this cliff is not going to last forever. You can see pieces of it disappearing as it is. Yeah, we're going to get into some mud today. It was definitely raining here just like 2 days ago. Jesus Christ. That seemed unnecessary. Almost hit me. There's Coyote Cal's. The sign didn't lie. There it is. Restaurant and bar, Thai food. Oh, damn. Wasn't expecting that. Motorcycle fuel, high octane, formulated. I guess this is lunch. Yep, we're here at Coyote Cal's. It's kind of beautiful here. What a terrible place to have to live. This is. Oh my God. Right on the Pacific. Okay, delicious, unbelievably huge lunch. I should have filmed some of it because it was like a 4-course meal here at Coyote Cal's. And now we are going to continue off-road up the coast. I'm told this road is quite pleasant until the end, and then it isn't. So we will see if that is the case. But I'm guessing the scenery is going to be spectacular. Beautiful. Wow, cool, dude. Beautiful. Dude, this is gonna be something. This is gonna be something. I can already tell. Unbelievable, man. Just unbelievable. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, can't wait to see this footage. This fun part. Fun section. Hopefully they see us. Nope. Wow, guy. Thanks for trying to kill us. That was super fun. It's about to get sketch. Oh man, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh. Bottomed it out. Little jump there. Oh. Oh. Oh, I thought I was going down, dude. Oh my God, my adrenaline. Oh, I hit that one weird. Oh, jeez. Just ride it out, I did not see that rut. Okay. Okay, we're okay. Whew. Scared myself. Oh. Why do I feel like that's my buddy hill climb? I'm sure it is. I'm sure it's way worse than that. Oh, don't tell me there's turns on it. I don't want that. I don't want turns on my hill climb. That's the worst. I don't like that you're slowing down right now, dude. Tell me this is not the climb out. Tell me this is not the climb out. Okay, good. It's not the climb out. I was worried. It's having a little moment. Oh, this might be the climb. Oh, beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and guess this is the challenging climb, because it's mildly challenging and we're climbing. Wow. Wow. The view though is not awful. It's awful bright, so I can hardly see it, but it's not awful. Wasn't bad, just long, tiring. Is that not our road? We're going this way? You're just trying to find a viewpoint?
Yeah.
I thought it was the one at the bottom on the other side. I was like cursing your name.
The one that went up the hill?
Yeah, and you were slowing down, and I was like, Tyler, bro. But it was not, so I feel good. Ew. Slippery, slippery, slippery. Oh, we got some animals. Goat. Nope, cows. A couple calves. Mama cow. Don't piss her off. This one's just gonna run alongside Tyler, I guess. He's running for his mom, I bet. Mom, this thing's chasing me. Mas vacas. Mas. Hola, vacas.
I did too. I'm like slowing down, like, can I? Maybe? Okay, if I get to there, I'm like, no, I don't want to do any hill climbs with turns on it. Yeah.
Okay, little rest stop, little breather, but we got to get there before it gets dark, so we're gonna head out. This road's supposed to be a little faster. Apparently there's 20 more kilometers. Oh! And I was like, good gracious, that's bodacious. Every time I say oh when I crash, it's like the first thing that jumps in my head. Better stop though, I sound so much like Nelly. I'm gonna get a copyright strike. Mexico, Mexico, me gusta Mexico. Ah, this has just been a spectacular trip, just really fantastic. I think I've had a great time, seen a lot of stuff, eaten a lot of amazing food, hung out with some great guys, saw some cool sights, got some good riding in. It's like everything you could ask for, you know. This is a trip you can come do for yourself. You can come do it with Tyler. There's at least one other guide that works down here. Same trip, same hotels. You can do it in either direction. You can go up from Cabo like we did, or down from San Diego to Cabo. Going from Cabo to San Diego is cheaper, $400 cheaper. So the trip that we did is actually the cheaper one, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to do this one, so that other people wanted to sign up. They could save a little money. And you know, your hotels are covered, bike rentals included. The fuel has been included on this one. So you don't have to plan anything, you just show up and ride. And Tyler handles all the logistics. You got the support truck carrying your luggage. You got you know, help if something goes wrong, like on the first day when Paul went down. They're right on the sat phone. I got the truck there, got him loaded up, took him to the hospital while the rest of us kept riding. So not only is there support if you get in trouble, but your trip doesn't end if someone on it gets in trouble. Sure was nice to have Shai there for that. He's a rock star, awesome guy, best support truck driver on the planet as far as I'm concerned. He just keeps like going above and beyond. Like he's like cleaning our mirrors and stuff in the mornings, checking our tire pressure, and making sure we have enough water, because he went and got us like this giant thing of water that he filled up and we can fill our hydration packs out of. Just a really good guy, very accommodating, very. He's like, a couple guys weren't feeling good and he ran into town and found him some antibiotics. Like, he's just making things happen. I'm not even sure if people are asking, he just does it because that's who he is. Ooh, what's up, Cal? No thanks. So you just feel really taken care of, safe. I had a lot of concerns about coming to Mexico, to be honest, and I know a lot of people do. You hear a lot of stuff about cartels and military checkpoints. And I'm not home yet, but we're pretty damn close to the border. And Tyler says he's never seen any of that stuff in Baja, and he lives here, so you know, I take his word for it. Everyone's been super nice. Obviously, I'll link the tour and the website in the description if anybody wants to check it out, try to book one of their own. Highly recommend it. What an adventure it has been. And here we are dodging cows. Ooh, that one's unhappy. What's up, bud? You look a little wary. I don't like the look in your eye. Or the horns on your head, for that matter. Oh, why did I turn my other camera off? Dude, that was fun. But anyway, that was a jump. It was fun. It was pretty fun. Oh. Yeah, we don't want to go ride on this one. That is deep. That is like a sheer cliff right there. So you know it's deep. Oh, good save, Tyler. I thought you were getting wet, buddy. I thought you were getting very wet. Okay. Got some garbage burning. Fun. It's a lot of garbage burning. Just like on the side of a random hill. Okay, cool. Hey, alright. This must be the highway. Well, I'm sad I didn't have the side camera running because I have a flat, which I sort of predicted. What? Yeah, that's my plan, because the tire was not looking so good at the beginning of the day. I was worried about that. Unfortunately, it's a rear, which is a bigger pain in the ass, and we don't have any rear tubes, we only have fronts. And I'm the only Tenere without a center stand. So, real fun.
Good. Let's get back on the road.
Well, we were pushing to make it before dark as it was, so now we're definitely not gonna. And I guess the traffic going into Ensenada is really bad, so it's gonna take us another hour to get there probably. Oh, but big shout out. Thank you to JD, Tyler, and Eduardo. We got that done in 15 minutes. You know how long it takes me at home? An embarrassingly long time. So that was much faster. Well, there are worse places to have to change a flat. At least we got this flat area here. Yeehaw, Fullers. Yeehaw. What was I saying earlier about how great it is to have a guide and support? Well, there you go. And we're off. So we were literally a mile from another checkpoint. So here we are. Apparently we're just going to cut the line and hope for the best. because they are currently inspecting a semi to make sure it's not full of howitzer cannons or something. Oh, they're just letting us go. Good. They don't care about motorcycles because we can't hide anything. All right, well, that was easy enough. It's so like weirdly dusty. It's weird looking with all the lights. Kind of crazy. I feel like I'm in a dystopian sci-fi movie right now. You sort of slow down at stop signs, even in the dark. Literally a taco truck, but it's like a truck. Anyway, that's what we're doing right now. Driving through the city at night in the dust. Try not to die. Good times. Well, here it is, Hotel Misión Santa Isabel. Pretty sure this is where we're going. Also, I got the world's biggest torta. Look at my hand. Holy crap, but it's not as big as Jefe's burrito. Muy bien. How's your little normal sized tacos treating you, Eddie? Sí, es muy poquito, señor. So, they're putting new tubes in for Eddie and I. And we're gonna hit the road. Make a run for the border. As we're pulling out, Tyler discovered he had a flat tire. But you can never break me. So we just stopped here in Guadalupe. Well, they've decided to let me back into America. Welcome to California, friends. Adios, Mexico. What an amazing trip. What an amazing adventure.